Well, I didn't catch anything here, so I won't really show you much. Let's see if got anything here. The ice is a little bit thicker. Looks like those bottom bubbles are about 6 inches down, so that's good. Looks like a fox came along here, scouting along. Kind of a weird spot to put you, but pretty thick. It's a good sign that the beaver is around. Like a top trips nuts. Well, I think I might have got something here. Let me move this so you can see a little bit better. I'm getting hot. Shed a layer here. Let's see here. Let's see what we got. I like to keep my hole really small when I'm setting them and checking them. Once you catch one, then you got to open it up nice and big here. Mine didn't necessarily catch one, but definitely my trap is sprung. So let's see here. I see fur. Oh, looks like a little one. What do we got here? Oh, I got myself a otter. Look at that. Pretty nice, huh? Nice otter. You can always tell by the tail that there is an otter. On this stick here, I set two traps, so see what I got. My next one, and you can see my next one is still set. So yeah. That's my first otter for the trapping season. So I just got my otter here. And yeah. Pretty good. We'll take care of it. Treat it good. Nice. I'm gonna go back out over there. I'm gonna go ahead and reset this. Oh, reset it. Remove my safeties. My jaws up. Well, I'm just coming out here for a little bit after work, but the sun is still up, so I'm gonna go check out some other spots before the sun sets. So maybe you'll see me set something a little bit later. We'll see. All right.